guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection we have, and that is the dress materials collection. Yes friends, if you are thinking to start your business and you are finding a place where you will get everything at one place, so Ajmera Fashion is best place for you. So friends, let's move forward and see the first sample of our today's video, and that is this beautiful and very attractive piece which is on silk base. Look, you can see the work on this. This is a this work called khatli work, and it has some tone to tone embroidery work which is really giving it an authentic look on it. So friends, this is also beautiful. If we talk about the dupatta, look, this is a dupatta, also we can call it shawl, and this is coming with this bottom piece. So this is kind of three pieces which is unstitched. So if you want to maintain this kind of collection at your business, yes friends, if you are thinking to start business, it's upon you. You want to start it from home or else from shop, it's upon you, and margin is also upon you, and investment is also upon you. For more details, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen. You can just call there or message there. Our online sales executive will attend you, and they will give you all the guidance which is important to order everything online, or else you want to see more collection, you can see there. So friends, let's move forward and see the next sample. So this is giving us a traditional look. As you can see, it has a multi work on it. It has multi colors and multi work. It has this coding and gota work on it. You can see this is called gota patti work. Also it has embroidery and stone work. So overall this piece is also good. As you can see, the panel is also very heavy. It is also coming with the dupatta and with this bottom piece. So friends, here I want to mention one thing, that you are not able to buy single piece. You can only purchase it wholesale. Yes friends, you can only join us B2B, because we are the first manufacturer who is directly selling all of these things to a retailer. So it is plus point for all of you to join us and start your own business. Let's move forward and see the next sample, and that is this coming with this net fabric. So friends, the next piece which I want to show you is here. Now this is coming with the two fabric, that is first one this net, and second one is this astar. So this is coming with this astar, and you will get digital dupatta with it. Nowadays this digital pattern is really trending, so which you can definitely add in your business, and you can add your good margin also. So this piece is also very good. Let's move forward and see the traditional and authentic piece, that is you all know which kind of variety usually people love to wear, and that is this Banarsi pattern. Yes friends, from the era, our Indian ladies or Indian females loving to wear this kind of Banarsi work. So friends, you can definitely invest in our traditional and authentic wear. Look, this is the dupatta, and you can see the zari work on that. This is called a zari and weaving work. Inside also you will get the same work. As you can see the panel, so something this kind of panel you will get here, and double fabric, and this kind of contrast shading fabric you will get here. So it is also very attractive piece. And friends, you might be thinking that ma'am, why you are not mentioning the price in video? So friends, I'm extremely sorry, we can't disclose the price on social media, because we are, as I told you, that we are the first manufacturer who is selling all of this to a retailer. So if we will disclose the price in social media, it will make you problem to add your margin. That's why if you want to know more, or else you want to know price, or else you want to see more collection, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen. You can call there or message there. Our online sales executive will attend you, and they will give you all the guidance which is important to order it online. Let's move forward. So friends, next piece which we are going to see right now, and this is ash gray color, and you can see the different kind of this क्या बोलते हैं diamond different kind of diamond on that. So this is a pearl, and this pearl is not a stick, this is a stitch. So this is you will get good quality here. If we talk about the dupatta, so you will get plain dupatta, and you will get 4 side border inside it. So this piece, you can see it has a really attractive border. So friends, let's move forward and see the sample. Here I want to mention friends that we have lots of varieties just like sarees, kurtis, lehengas, nighties, kids wear, men's wear and lots of things. So we have everything which a retailer need. That's why it is plus point for you, and this is an opportunity for all of you to start your own business. Let's move forward and see this very attractive piece that is on Chanderi silk fabric, and you can see this kind of small printing on that is giving it a really attractive work. And you can see kind of gota patti work on this side. You will get this dupatta. And friends, if we talk about the dupatta, so dupatta is a showstopper piece here. It has this multi work and it is giving an authentic look on it. So friends, except this, we have lots of varieties which we can't cover in just one video because we have the limit that we cannot go too much far. That's why you can definitely contact us directly. For that, you can see the numbers on screen. Now you might be thinking that ma'am, you can't mention the price, you can tell me the range. Yes friends, we have a starting range in dress material that is 85 rupees. Yes friends, from the 85 rupees we have starting range. If we talk about the sarees, so we have 45 rupees starting range in saree. If we talk about the kurti, we have 55 rupees. So you will get everything in lowest range. So this is plus point for all of you. For more details, you can directly join us. So friends, let's move forward and see very simple, sober and authentic piece. As you all know friends, the festive season is on cue right now. So this is something which usually people will love to wear on festive seasons, just like Diwali, Ramzan, Muharram, Raksha Bandhan, this kind of festival, people will love to wear these kind of things, and you can sell these things on that occasions. Let me show you the bunch. Like as I told you, you will not be able to buy single piece. You just have to purchase whole bunch. So something this kind of bunch you will get here, and in one bunch you will get different colors. As you can see here, all colors are running colors and attractive colors which usually people love to wear. And as I told you, you can really add good margin in this kind of things. Also friends, there are some samples in which you will get this kind of catalog. The same thing you are getting here, the same thing you will get in this catalog. So isn't this same? And you will get soft copy in WhatsApp or in Instagram upon your social media handle. If you will message us, or else you will get this kind of thing. So for more details, you can directly join us. So friends, this was our video about dress materials. If you want to know more, you can directly contact us. Here I want to mention that you can only join us B2B, that means business to business. If you want to start your business, you can definitely. So friends, this was our video. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.